Okay, let's talk about group assignments. Now, I'm recording this in fall of 2024. The dates you see on the screen may not correspond to your semester, but the ideas are all the same. Okay, the group assignments. There are two components to group assignments. And the idea behind all this is, let's say we got a group assignment due tomorrow. It is not fair to the rest of your group members if you wait until noon tomorrow before you even contribute to that group assignment. That's not fair. People have lives. They can't wait until the last minute waiting on you. So what we've decided on, meaning me, is for every group assignment, everybody has to submit a draft of their own work 3 days before the assignment is due. Not just to me, but to the rest of their group. So look here, for example, we've got this group assignment. It's not due for this particular class we're looking at until Wednesday, September 4th. That's when the group assignment is due. And the group's going to submit one single assignment there. Everybody gets the same grade. In order to get credit for that, you individually, everybody in the class, I'm going to repeat this several times because it always causes confusion for some reason. Everybody has to submit a draft 3 days earlier. Not just to me, but to the rest of your group. So your group, you've set up how you're going to be exchanging information back and forth. You set up a Discord or you're using email, text, whatever you're using. By Sunday the 1st, you have to submit a draft to the entire group and to me. The most important part is submitting it to the rest of your group. You're submitting it to me as like your receipt. That's like your proof that, hey, I got this done on time and I sent it to my group. So everybody turns in a draft. If you don't turn in a complete draft on time, you get a 0 on the group assignment. And by on time, I mean Sunday at 11:59, 3 days before the group assignment's due. And if you look through the semester, that's the way it's always going to be. Here's the group assignment. Oh, something's wrong. We had to fix that. Here's a group assignment. 3 days later, or 3 days earlier, the draft is due. People don't like having stuff due on test day. So here, this one, you get 4 days to work on. But it's the same idea. If you don't turn in your draft on time, you get a 0 on the actual group assignment. And it's going to be this way all semester. Group assignment, 3 days earlier, the draft. So let's take a look at one of these and see what it looks like. So here's the document itself. Now, it's okay to print this off if you want, or do it on notebook paper if you want, or if you've got a tablet and you get an app like Notability and you want to write directly on a PDF, any of that's fine. But you're going to work out a complete solution here. If you turn in a draft that's only halfway done, that doesn't count. That's a 0 on the group assignment. So you're going to work out a complete solution here. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just a draft. Even if the answer is wrong, it's still an honest attempt. And then once you're ready, let me go into student view here. You'll hit start assignment. Now, if you've got the Canvas app on your phone, then you can use like Cam Scanner or Swift Scan to take a picture of your work. And then depending on what phone you have, Cam Scanner should be able to send that directly into the Canvas app and you'll be able to submit the solution there. I find that kind of a pain. What I do when I have to do this is I'll use Cam Scanner to get my PDF, and then I'll just email it to myself, and then I'll get on my laptop and upload my solutions. However you want to do it, you're going to upload a PDF here. It needs to be one single file though. Don't upload this particular one, you should easily be able to do on one page. But let's say it took you 3 pages of notebook paper. Please don't upload 3 individual pages. I need you to upload one 3-page document. And I'll do a separate video on how to do that. Like Cam Scanner will let you do that. Remember, there's information about Cam Scanner, SwiftScan, all in here. You can go to that source there. And I'm going to record a separate video on using this online tool called PDF Escape that will let you squish documents together. So you'll upload one single document here. Now you see this comment box here. Please do not use this comment box and put your name in there. When you do that, it sends me an email. And then I get an email, Dave Johnson. I don't need that. When I go to grade this, your name's right at the top of my screen in my speed grader. I don't need you to put your name or the name of the assignment or anything in the comment box. If, on the other hand, maybe you turn in your draft, excuse me, and you would like me to take a look at it, you want me to check and see if it's right, this is a great way to do that. Here in the comment box, hey, professor, can you take a look at my draft? And that sends me an email and a link to your assignment, whatever it is we're talking about. And then I can, tell you if it's right or wrong or whatever the case may be. That's the only reason you should use this comment box. So everyone turns in a draft to me and to the rest of their group. And then a few days later, the actual group assignment is due. Everybody turns in this. One per group here. Whoever's got the best handwriting. Have one person in the group, maybe alternate throughout the semester who's responsible for turning in the group assignment. Then the entire group gets the same grade on this unless you didn't turn in a draft, and then you won't get credit. And remember, don't forget to send it to the rest of your group. Your group will tell me, hey, we never heard from Joe. Joe didn't even give us a draft. Well, then Joe's going to get a 0 on the group assignment. Okay, that's a good place to stop.